Alright everybody, welcome to part 2. Part 1 I'll link in the corner. Check that out. This will make more sense. Here's the deadbolt to that doorknob. Put the cap back on it here just so I don't pull the cylinder out on accident. And this is the lock that the customer was told was unpickable, which, I'm not really too concerned with what's pickable and what's not pickable or whatever, but I'm interested in people being honest though and telling somebody something's unpickable to justify your $150 price tag on it when it feels like a $10 lock from Home Depot and looks very similar to it as well. But the guy that told her that though is the guy that drilled out 2 perfectly good quick sets, and not smart key either, just quick set that apparently was also unpickable for him too, although I guess according to the customer he didn't even try. And there's your unpickable lock. And let's just gut it for the hell of it here. It's going to be all standard pins, I'm sure. Sorry, let me get in a better position here. Alright, drop some drivers, but no big deal. There's a driver, there's a driver. So there's going to be 1 and 2. There's a mangled spring, or I think it's just 1 spring. Yeah, there's pins 1 and 2. There's 3, 4, 5, all standard pins. These springs are at least longer anyway than the knob springs. All those were probably too short. And here's key pins. Anyway, so that's what's in that. And the doorknob I just threw away. This one, the deadbolt is definitely better than that doorknob cylinder, so I might just put this back together, and maybe somebody wants to make a challenge lock out of it or something. But anyway, that'll I guess do it for this video. And got some better locks to pick here. I got some American 5200s and stuff that are I like a lot more than this crap. And I guess I have nothing else to really add to this, so we'll talk to everybody later.